Japan, a land where ancient tradition meets futuristic innovation. From tranquil temples and timeless forests to neon-lit skylines and snow-capped peaks, every corner of this island nation tells a story. In this video, we take you on a journey through the top 10 most beautiful places in Japan, a list that will awaken your wanderlust and maybe even inspire your next adventure. Step into another world, literally. The Arashiyama Bamboo Grove in Kyoto feels like nature's own cathedral. Towering stalks of bamboo stretch toward the sky, creating an ethereal green tunnel where time seems to slow down. Early morning visits offer serenity, with the sound of rustling leaves as your only companion. No list of Japan's wonders is complete without Mount Fuji, the country's most iconic natural landmark. Standing at 3,776 meters, its nearly perfect cone is visible for miles, especially breathtaking when reflected in the still waters of Lake Kawaguchi during sakura season. Tucked away in the Japanese Alps lies Shirakawa-go, a UNESCO World Heritage Village where traditional gasho-zukuri farmhouses date back centuries. Covered in snow, it transforms into a fairy tale village. Magical, quiet, and untouched by time. Thousands of vermilion torii gates form endless pathways through the forested slopes of Mount Inari. The Fushimi Inari Shrine isn't just visually stunning, it's a sacred pilgrimage site that invites you to walk, reflect, and lose yourself in spiritual tranquility. Each season paints the Hitachi Seaside Park with a different palette: baby blue Nemophila in spring, fiery red kochia bushes in autumn. Stretching over 190 hectares, this floral wonderland feels like nature's version of a living, breathing canvas. Home to the famed floating torii gate, Miyajima Island is a harmonious blend of nature and Shinto spirituality. When the tide rises, the bright red gate appears to float upon the sea, an image so iconic it's often considered the soul of Japan's scenic beauty. In Nara Park, friendly deer roam freely among ancient temples and wide-open lawns. Considered messengers of the gods, these deer bow in exchange for treats, a truly magical encounter. Nicknamed the White Heron Castle, Himeji Castle is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best preserved castles in Japan. With its layered rooftops and pristine grounds, it's a masterpiece of feudal architecture. Far from the bustling mainland, Okinawa offers a tropical side of Japan many travelers never expect. With crystal-clear waters, coral reefs, and pristine white sand beaches, it's a slice of paradise. Add in its unique Ryukyu culture, and Okinawa becomes a destination that blends natural beauty with soulful heritage. And finally, we end our journey in Nikko, a sacred city nestled in the mountains. Home to the majestic Toshogu Shrine and surrounded by lush forests and waterfalls, Nikko's blend of rich history and natural beauty makes it the perfect way to conclude our list.